Hey everyone, it's aosu here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will checking out the aosu T2 Pro. And now I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting this to be just another standard outdoor security camera. But after testing it properly, especially during nighttime, this thing actually surprised me. You've got dual 3K cameras, 360-degree PTZ tracking, 8 times zoom, solar charging, built-in 32GB local storage, with no monthly fees, and honestly the setup was way easier than I expected. So today I want to show you guys the real experience with it. So as usual, after the intro, let's start with the unboxing. Let's go! Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. First impression honestly felt pretty premium straight away. Inside the box you obviously get the camera itself, mounting accessories, cables, and the detachable solar panel. And one thing I immediately liked is the fact that isn't one of those annoying setups where you need electricians or complicated wiring or outlets anywhere. Everything feels designed just works simply. And now guys, let's speak about the installation. And honestly, setup took maybe around 5 minutes, no joke. Mounted it outside, connected it through the app, and it was basically ready immediately. No ugly wires hanging down the wall, no drilling through half the house, and no outlet needed either because of the solar setup. And I think that's something a lot of people genuinely want nowadays. People want security without turning it into a massive project. Now let's speak about the dual camera and the tracking. Now this is where the aosu T2 Pro gets really interesting. So instead of just having one static camera, this actually uses a dual camera setup. You've got the wide-angle camera constantly monitoring the area, but then the PTZ camera physically rotates and follows movement automatically. And honestly, seeing this happen in real life is actually pretty crazy at the first time. Instead of somebody just disappearing outside the frame, the camera literally keeps following them. And the night test. Now was probably my favorite part of the test because realistically, night performance is what actually matters on a security camera. So I tested it outside near the parking area and the tracking worked surprisingly well. The moment movement was detected, I instantly got a notification on my phone and the camera automatically locked onto the person. And honestly, the night footage looked way cleaner than I expected to. A lot of cameras completely fall apart at night, but this actually kept a good amount of detail. And then there's the 8 times zoom feature. And this is actually super useful because you can properly zoom into faces, objects, or details without the footage turning into completely garbage. And paired with it the tracking, it genuinely feels more advanced than a normal outdoor security camera. And another thing what I personally love here, no monthly subscription. Thanks God. Because nowadays everything wants a subscription just to unlock basic features. But with this you actually get built-in 32GB local storage included, which means your footage stays saved locally without constantly paying every single month just to access your own security clips. And honestly, over time that alone probably saves a decent amount of money. Battery life also looks really solid here. You've got a massive 9200 mAh battery combined with the solar charging setup, so realistically you barely even think about charging it most of the time. And honestly, that's the type of setup I prefer. Install it once and just let it do its thing. And another positive is the fully weather resistance. And obviously because this is designed for outdoor use, you also get the IP65 weather resistance. So rain, cold weather, bad conditions, it's designed for all of that. And honestly, mounted outside this actually looks pretty clean too, which I know sounds random, but some outdoor cameras genuinely just looks horrible. So let's wrap up guys. After using it properly, what do I honestly think? Honestly, I can genuinely recommend this. I think the biggest strength of the aosu T2 Pro is that it feels smart without feeling complicated. You are getting proper tracking, solid night vision, solar charging, dual cameras, easy setup, built-in 32GB local storage, and no monthly fees, but without making the whole experience annoying. And honestly, for people wanting modern home security that actually feels practical, this one is make a lot of sense. So a huge thanks to aosu to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. I absolutely recommended this product, guys. Honestly, I really impressed with this one. And if you guys wanna check it out, links will be down below in the description. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit a like, subscribe, or you know your stuff. It was Akos from ATech Flow, it was a T2 Pro security camera from aosu, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.